Hi, I'm Kevin Hua. I'm going to be showing you some simple fitting tricks today to help you out. So what I've got set up here today is a couple of pieces of gauge metal that have a gap in there, and I'm going to show you how to tighten that gap up. So here's the gauge metal. As you can see, we've got a nice flat section, and this section here has got a pretty good hump to it. We're going to tighten that up. So what I've got here is a 2" by 1/4 flat bar, and I'm going to be tacking it to the low side and using it to pry to bring the high side down. So before you get started, make sure you put on all your proper protective equipment. So once you've pried with your bar and your plates are level, what you want to do is tack on either side of your bar. So what you want to do now is pull off your bar, forcing opposite the tack, and it'll come right off. And you'll notice that we still have some high load in the rest of the plate. So we'll need to do the trick again. So after you've leveled everything and everything's flush and you've broken your bar off, you'll notice you've got some ugly tacks left on your plate. You'll have to grind those off. So this trick won't work for all situations. Let's say you're using an aluminum or stainless with a high-end finish, you'd have to use a different technique. So once you've got your piece fit up and you're happy with it, you'll want to weld in a backstepping manner from tack to tack. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope this little trick will make you more efficient and proficient.